Welcome to the FiTech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. The M Eastern-made wood splitter is the perfect choice for small to medium-sized farms. With its compact design and powerful engine, it delivers a splitting force of up to 20 tons, making it effortless to handle large and tough logs. The ASB 135 effortlessly levels the ground, creating perfect trails for off-road adventures. Are you ready to explore new and challenging paths with the ASB 135? Meanwhile, the veteran trademark F32 SL22 wood saw, manufactured in 2020, stands as a powerhouse in the forestry industry, with a lifting capacity of up to 32 tons and exceptional maneuverability across all terrains. It's the ideal choice for demanding operations. The Vetru trademark F32 SL22 wood saw, manufactured in 2020, is a powerful machine in the forestry industry, with a lifting capacity of up to 32 tons. The powerful Raid Harvester Highlander wood harvester by Conrad Force Technic leverages its advantages to conquer steep terrains. Designed to tackle slopes and challenging landscapes, the Highlander features a flexible track system and enhanced hydraulic frame balancing, ensuring smooth and stable movement on steep hillsides and rugged terrain. The Destat DBLEU 360 shredder features not only a large, sturdy crushing jaw but also a powerful engine delivering up to 740 horsepower. It is equipped with a dual-shaft rotor system integrated with 48 cutting blades, offering a wide load capacity. The 1.350 by 1.720mm hopper size of the DW360 enables flexible shredding of materials with diameters ranging from 20mm to 300mm. Compared to the previous BCX 2500 model, the DW360 boasts processing wood and branches after pruning can be a challenge for small farms. But the Cord King CS 2030 Ho Model 44 wood processor has become the perfect solution to this problem. With the ability to quickly and efficiently cut split wood and wood debris into firewood, the CS 2030 Ho Model 44 can handle wood with diameters up to 30 inches and lengths up to 20 feet, significantly meeting the processing needs of small farms. The Destat DW360 integrates the DW360 primary shredder with the HS8100 CLC vibrating screener. Featuring a dual-shaft shredding system, the machine can process input materials up to 12 meters in size with a throughput of up to 50 tons per hour. The HS8000C vibrating screener, with its star-shaped design and screening surface dimensions of 8,000 by 2,000 millimeters, delivers a screening capacity of 40 tons per hour. This combination is ideal for shredding and screening various materials, including construction waste, industrial waste, and green waste. An innovative bulldozer with a rolling blade called the Chapador Con Rollo has been designed to level and flatten the ground quickly and efficiently. The rolling blade, made of steel or rubber, features a diameter ranging from 30 centimeters to 123 centimeters, enabling it to perform more effectively compared to traditional bulldozers. The Alaska 600-40 SA is a wood waste shredder with a capacity of up to 120 cubic meters and a cutting capability of 400 tons, allowing for the efficient processing of large volumes of wood waste. Notably, the machine can adjust the output size from 20 mm to 120 mm, catering to various applications. With unparalleled power and exceptional splitting speed, the atomic cone splitter on the Chuchi 2-ton machine is an indispensable companion in wood processing. This machine not only excels at splitting large and stubborn wood blocks but also demonstrates remarkable versatility when mounted on the Chuchi. Its compact design allows for easy mobility to any location, prioritizing safety above all else. Before Niobe Kenny Trimming and Foundations, a company specializing in hedge trimming and foundation work, upgraded its equipment. They adopted the new Oral Tray Shear attachment for Hitachi excavators, supplied by Gainer Plant Sales. The Oral Tray Shear, mounted on the Hitachi excavator. The TigerCat 870C Forestry Harvester, produced by TigerCat, a leading American company specializing in heavy machinery for the forestry industry, was introduced in 2018 and quickly became one of the most popular choices among logging contractors. The small farms, with splitting force of up to 20 tons, make it easy to handle all types of wood with fast splitting speeds, just 4 seconds per cycle. With a simple design, the machine is easy to operate and suitable for users of all ages.
Cord per hour. Not bad for working alone.
Welcome to the Fi-Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. The MBR 900 drum cutter is designed to precisely cut natural materials such as stone and gravel. Using it on tree stumps is akin to bringing a bazooka to a knife fight. Yet it's incredibly satisfying to watch it in action, from classic chainsaws to modern ones. The LogMax 6000B is a powerful forestry harvester designed to optimize logging operations with its ability to handle large trees. Its advanced hydraulic system and durable construction enhance productivity in the forest. reduce maintenance costs, and improve harvesting efficiency.
Specializing in hedge trimming and foundation work,
upgraded its equipment. They adopted the new oral tray shear attachment for Hitachi excavators, supplied by Gainer Plant Sales. The oral tray shear, mounted on the Hitachi excavator, allows for the quick removal of trees while ensuring worker safety. The Hitachi excavator can efficiently lift and transport large trees, saving time and effort in tree removal tasks. A precariously hanging tree, suspended like a ticking time bomb in the forest canopy, demands immediate action. Its unstable position, caught mid-fall, poses a severe threat. One wrong move could unleash pent-up energy, leading to catastrophic consequences. A skilled arborist, equipped with expertise and specialized tools, can safely eliminate this hazard, mitigate risks, and restore peace to the area. Offers an efficient solution to the wood processing industry. Capable of handling logs with diameters of up to 450 mm and processing 150 to 300 cubic meters per 8-hour shift. The system includes the SDHD 400 disc saw and the BC 900 DE2 flexible blades. Its advanced technology ensures precise cutting, enhancing productivity to medium to large-scale practices. Oh my, with the beastly AIRT 800 Malta packing 630 horsepower on site. That unlucky tree stump picked the wrong fight. Meanwhile, the Miori SDH chainsaw line provides an efficient solution for the wood processing industry. It can handle logs up to 450 mm in diameter and process 150 to 300 cubic meters in an 8-hour shift. The system includes the SDHD 400 circular saw and the V. A bus is undoubtedly powerful, but trees can be just as stubborn. Trying to pull a tree out with sheer brute force alone is no easy task. Right?
I found the weakest link. Guess we need a better chain.
Oh my god, my worst nightmare has come true, but thankfully no one was hurt. I'm truly fascinated by the Komatsu 931. It's a beast on those slopes, making wood harvesting as easy as a walk in the park. Does anyone else think this machine deserves to be in a race? Oh, pulling a tree stump with your truck. That's some serious DIY ambition. Just remember, one wrong move and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Don't let your weekend project make it to the evening news. Oh my god. The NTB wood cutting system is a product from Japan. Known as the fastest dual band saw in the industry, its pre-registration feature simplifies the cutting process, enabling automatic wood processing in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers an attractive solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood factories. Honestly, I'm still confused about why the tree stump caught fire and why that guy decided to chop it down while it was still burning. Can someone explain this to me? Please leave a comment below and help me out.
Autótyún, meg egy...
Let's compare the different still wood saw models to see how they differ.
A stíl kicsit jobb. De 20 kvarna meg az enyém.
Welcome to the Fi-Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. Have you ever wanted to tackle massive logs in your backyard? The Montana Maryland 90 is your answer. This handheld band saw, powered by a 33 kilowatts motor, can handle logs up to 900 millimeters thick. Turning those giant logs into beautifully crafted pieces has never been easier. Get ready to unleash the carpenter within you. Come on, Grandma, this is exactly why you should keep a safe distance from areas like this. So, this Foley Bell saw a 14-inch circular sawmill, and it's pretty old school, like back in the days when people built everything by hand. It must have been amazing to see it in action, turning massive trees into lumber for building houses. It really makes me think about how things were made back then and how much effort went into everything. It's definitely a piece of history.
Yeah, too bad it's got that rot down the middle.
Woo, when the Welter W130 and the Kessler 25RH2 come together. It's not just a machine you're looking at, it's like an entire orchestra of power and precision working in harmony to optimize skyrocketing productivity. The operator isn't just excited, they're probably doing a victory dance right now. This combination is truly remarkable. Hold on to your hats, everyone, we're about to witness some incredible feats by these Asian loggers who are redefining wildness. No safety gear, no harnesses, just bare feet climbing towering trees and cutting them down with nothing but a saw. Can you believe it? Workhorse introduces the HSM405H, a high-performance harvester designed to meet the rigorous demands of large-scale logging operations. With exceptional power and stability, the HSM405H is the ideal solution for mechanized logging. Currently priced at around $44, it represents a significant investment in operational efficiency. Hauling a massive 20 cubic meters log is no typo. Folks, we're talking about 3 times the usual capacity. This machine is a powerhouse built to last and tackle any challenge. So, what do you think? Is the LKT81 the best machine for the job? The nightmare. Oh, the wonders of cedar wood. Like a gift from nature wrapped in warmth and durability. Let's embark on an exciting adventure as we take a closer look at a Japanese wood processing factory and uncover the magic behind crafting with this beautiful wood. Can you understand the utter horror of dozens of tons of wood running on a move? The scene is like in a nightmare. Just a slight slip and the whole cart will collapse at any moment. This guy used a hydraulic press. Some scrap metal and a lot of creativity, and boom, he had himself a wood splitter. While aesthetics may not have been a priority, this is a patent-worthy invention. Wood in the blink of an eye. Lumberjack turned a towering cedar into a memory. It took only 3 minutes. It was amazing how quickly the giants of nature collapsed before their skills. This guy used a hydraulic press, some scrap metal and a lot of creativity, and boom. He had himself a wood splitter. While aesthetics may not be the top priority, efficiency and effectiveness are clearly shown. What a cool invention.
Some 6.3s and they'll be rippers.
Turbo Gladiator M12 by Turbo Sawmill is a powerful and versatile machine designed for both professionals and woodworking enthusiasts. Equipped with a large 30-horsepower Honda engine and capable of two-way cutting, the machine can efficiently handle standard logs 30 cm by 30 cm and cut logs up to 28 cm by 61 cm with automatic functions and a durable frame. This is a great choice to optimize the incredible sawing process that you should not miss. Be careful when using these giant wood saws.
Get set!
Get ready for it, folks. Get your throttle up. Well, that was chainsaw.